Hello team! Today I've decided to do this mini video focused on particularly the neck and the upper shoulder release, so a bit of the chest, a bit of the spine, but mostly the neck. It's a very short video for us to use maybe if we have a tight upper body after an aerial class or non-aerial, but if you need to release your neck and your shoulders, this is the one for you. This will be only performed seated, and we will be doing this in a relaxing context, so making sure that we find release, relaxation and relief as well, de-stress. I think you can see that I have a different framing today. I'm in the beautiful Niljara resort in Bali, and they've graciously let me film in the beautiful shala, and I've tried to frame it so you can see that we've got a wonderful waterfall on the background, which I hope will actually help you relax even more. I'm gonna work a little bit more through the breath and trying to release the neck. So we're going to start either cross-legged or kneeling. You are allowed to shift your position throughout this little practice. Again, we are going to do this for a short time, so don't feel obliged to force the movement, and try and focus more on the awareness of the breath. Don't forget again to subscribe, comment, like, share this with anyone who needs some neck and shoulder and spine release today. Let's dive in. Let's start in that cross-leg position. We're going to place the hands behind the head. Try and have your elbows in peripheral vision, not like squeeze, 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 yeah? Try and keep them here. And then we're going to start taking a few up-down movement. So like cat-cow, deep breath in and out, keep going. And then we're going to do side to side 4 times. You don't have to go too hard, you can be quite gentle with yourself. Wonderful. And then we're going to take a few twists as well. Nice. And then some freestyle movement. Anything that you feel your body needs right now. Like massaging the spine, letting yourself just release. Ooh. Good. And slowly bring the hands back down. Very nice. Let's give ourselves a little hug. So with me, the microphone might be a little bit muffled, but you want to try to hug onto your shoulder blades quite tightly. And we're going to do the same thing. I want you to kind of lean a little bit forward and move a little bit side to side. So slightly rounding the back. Try not to have the shoulders up towards the ears. And then we're going to lift the chest up. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to look up. It's a bit harder for me to talk and breathe in this position. And then some side bends. We'll start on the right side and just a little twist in the side bend. Oh, that feels nice. I like that one. Other side. Nice, and again, free movement here. Mobilizing a little bit more throughout the spine. I'm really slippery because it's really hot and humid and I'm so sweaty. Wow. And then release. Let's do the neck a little bit. Let's do the sideways. We're gonna bring the right ear to the right shoulder. The left hand is gonna come on the floor and kind of push down a little bit here, like you wanna make that space. We're gonna gently grab onto the side and pull a little bit. Try and not be like this though, try and release. Maybe move the head up and down gently. And then gentle push of your fingers. You're gonna push the head into the hand and the fingers just for 5 seconds. Keep that collarbone nice and open. And then you're gonna reach the ear towards the shoulder, not the shoulder to the ear to the shoulder. Slowly release. Slide the chin across your collarbones and come to center. Gentle. Other side. We're gonna start stretching first. Bring the fingers very gently. Press through the right fingertips. Release that other shoulder out. Moving the head a little bit up and down. Press into the fingertips. 3, 2, 1. Release the head away from the fingers. Just kind of opening a bit further. And release here, slide. And back up. Okay. I'm gonna do this sideways for the next one. The hands are gonna come behind the head. You're gonna kind of tuck the chin in. Give yourself a little double chin. It's not the best looking position. Try not again, release the shoulders, neck. You're gonna push against the hand for 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen the head, so try not just like tuck it in, lengthen the head. So you want to unplug, so you pull from the skull to release the back of the head here. Still with the shoulder blades and the shoulders down. Sorry, I sound probably very muffled right now. And then slowly release. Grab your hands into a pistol fingers. You're gonna push into the chin and the jaw and kind of the collarbone here, or the bottom of your neck, but don't press too hard. So I like to kind of like push a little bit here first, and then I'm gonna push my chin into my fingers for 4. Again, release the shoulders. 2, 1, and then from here again, I'm gonna lengthen my neck. You see how I'm pushing my chin forward? And then I lift up. Bring that jaw, bottom jaw forward as well here. Good. Good. Oh, that feels so nice. Push, lengthen. And release. Oh, this is a really good neck release, this one. Yeah, so obviously you're not pushing with the thumbs here, you're just pushing with the index fingers. And let's finish with just some upper shoulder release here. I like to go on my knees for this one. Unfortunately, my hands are like really slippery from the heat. So I'm gonna interlace my fingers and I'm gonna push down. Open the chest nice and up and high. And maybe arch the back slightly. Maybe open the neck a little bit more. Again, all gentle stretches, nothing too intense here. Release. And release the arms, right arm up. Your left hand is gonna bring the hand a little bit further down. And then the other side, option to just simply grab and try to imagine you want to touch the right hip, so the opposite hip. Or I can catch here today. So on this side, I'll probably want on the other side. My fingers are slippery here again, so it's not really that important. And open the chest. Release. Reverse to the other side, left arm. This one obviously is a lot more, a bit tighter. Ooh. And then again, option to just kind of wrap the arm back, open the chest, or reach the hand. As you can see on this side, I'm not touching, I'm just touching the fingers. Because my left tricep is very tight, very short. Oh. And release. Wonderful. Well, that's it. You have completed this lovely little session. Yeah. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it really helped you gain some maybe new exercises you didn't know about releasing the front of your body. Make sure you keep your collarbones nice and open. Give yourself some nice little side massage as well to release. Use the ball, use the foam roller. But again, remember to share, subscribe, like, comment, anything, because every bit of engagement is, first, it really reaches into my heart, because I know that there are human beings behind these videos. And second of all, it is just really nice to see the community building together. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.